Hey yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. Today we're kind of rushing a little bit, man. It's 2:50. We gotta be back at home for the stock market open at 3:30 p.m. here in fucking Germany. So we're gonna get a little POV for y'all. It's a nice day. It's sunny. We gotta get gas too, but we're only gonna get a little bit. But then we'll get some more gas tomorrow. We might have a car meet. We might be going to a car meet tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna add it to this video and or just make a separate video for it. My first car meet this year. I haven't been to one in a year, honestly. But we're gonna try and get some sends out and then go to the post office and then go home, trade some stocks, and then maybe go out one more time for this video. So yeah, man, kind of pumped. It's still kind of cold, but it's like 50. But yeah, enjoy the POV. Dumbass. The GoPro's been bugging recently, man. It's been deleting footage. I think it just restored the footage, so I might get like half of that footage, so half of that POV. But it's all good. We'll film another one later. Hopefully at least one of them films, you know. We do be losing hella footage. Like last video, we lost like probably 20 minutes worth of footage, like unedited footage though. But I don't know, man. I don't know what's been going on with the GoPro. It might be the SD card actually, because I kind of changed the SD card to like a 1 terabyte one, but it's not as fast as the old one. Damn, we're gonna be stuck behind this truck. All right, my boys are back, man. We ran into some technical difficulties, bro. Not with the car, but bro, there's hella traffic, bro. It's already 3:20, so we're probably gonna miss the open bell of the trading, but that's okay. You know, we're gonna take the Autobahn way so we can maybe cut some time. But yeah, so that's a rip, I guess. But shit, man, let's get a little Autobahn sent, I guess. Damn, that truck risking it all. I don't have the address for Waze on there. I don't feel like typing it all in. German addresses are weird, so we just got it on our phone. So if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my phone, not looking at my car. Yeah, man, let's hope the car doesn't blow up. Probably gonna burn half a tank of gas, but it's all good, man. It's all for good cause. I'm not gonna max it out though. I really don't want to blow it up. We're getting to the blow up territory. This one. Oh, it's this exit. My bad. Got 17 minutes, man. Stock market opens up in 5. Might have to pull over and trade, man. I just got some overnights I want to pull out of. Pause. And then in the premium at stock market open. Text and drive, trade and drive. odds all that traffic happens now, bro? That's what I got that wing for. Fuck it. We could fit. Holy shit, bro. Ah, bro. Holy shit. Since it's been so cold and so wet, I haven't drove it with traction control off. And with the Z's, if you like, I don't know, it's like weird, like if you boost them and you have traction control on, it like limits your power like even more. But the traction control saved my life so many times, I'm not even gonna lie. It's kind of insane. All right, my boys, we made, so I think I had a CVS put that I bought for like $5, and that shit made me like 50 bucks. I think there's like news about CVS doing some shit, so we made like 50 bucks off of that somehow, off $5, so that's kind of clutch. We sold this Nvidia one for like 50 bucks, and I'm still in this trade right here, which is a Apple call. And normally I sold my Nvidia one fast because normally Nvidia drops and then the Apple one goes up. Apple has a lot of good news, so I'm gonna hold this one. We only have $136 in this one, so you know, we might just go for like 50 bucks or maybe like a hundo if we can for this one. Man, I don't normally show my plays on this channel, but fuck it. We're not really in a rush no more, but fuck it, we can still rush home. Maybe get into another play. Might miss some insider news or something, man. You never know. Insider news plays, man, that's the easiest. That's how I got that CV. But now we gotta deal with this car. No. Yeah, that might conclude the POV, man. We got the package. It's 4 o'clock. Normally you gotta wait. Normally it's good to wait 30 minutes after market open anyway. Shit. I think the Apple call is at like neutral right now, break even. But yeah, man, I mean, it's been fun whipping it, man. We might take it out another time, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I don't like taking it to the meets. There'd be too many cops, but they said, I mean, it should be like a chill meet. It's not anything major, so if it was like a tiny meet, we might just add it to this video, honestly. But I don't know if I'm bringing the Z, though. I might just bring the Volvo. Get y'all a little Volvo POV. Not really. But yeah, man, I think that concludes the POV. We might have some more footage added later. But yeah, man, if not, thanks for watching. And yeah. Yo, what is good? We got a little car meet we're going to. Might get y'all a little POV first, but we cleaned up the whip a little bit, you know, made her look a little bit cleaner. You know, tire's still fucked up, but it's all good. We're gonna check the oil and everything like that. And then I guess I'll see y'all at the car meet. We got this, we're probably gonna use this. I don't remember where I put my other, what is that, a tripod? So we're probably just gonna use this one for the old GoPro and just take it off. But yeah, so yeah, bum boys. So hope y'all enjoy. And yeah, man, might get y'all a little new POV in the whip anyway. So we'll try it out. We'll check it out and see what's up. But yeah, man, start up the whip, get y'all a little cold start, and then we'll be on the way. boys, we're finna head out, man. There wasn't really that many cars. There was like a R8. That's about it. R8, some decent JDMs, but there wasn't really anything to really record. Plus it's dark. But we finna head out, head on home. Gotta get the Addy. Yeah, man, that's wraps for that. We'll get y'all a little Autobahn pull. We'll probably just chill. I gotta get some more oil, man. This thing been burning, man. Golly, I was there for probably like 20 minutes. My boy's little nighttime drive. I know the quality ain't really as good on the GoPro at night, but we got y'all a little POV the other day, like literally yesterday, last week's video, I guess, for y'all. Try to upload once a week. I mean, get y'all some footage. Literally got literally went to a car meet, recorded 2 cars. That sticker was kind of fire. Oh, the gay cops pulled me over. That's wild, bro. He said he had some problems with some cops with that. Like the cops had problems with it. I just go straight? Oh, yeah.